First, remove the 3 caps located under the vehicle at the bracket installation points. Then, install the insert fittings and bolts specified in the installation manual. After that, mount the bracket. Repeat the same steps for the remaining brackets. Depending on the preferred stepping position on the vehicle, connect the bracket through the mounting holes using the bumper bolts. Make sure the brackets are securely tightened. Insert the bumper bolts into the mounting rail located underneath the side step as described in the installation manual. Align the bumper bolts with the brackets and place the side step onto the vehicle. Then tighten the step bolts and perform a final check to ensure everything is secure.